In conditional obligation, there are effects of conditions, where you will meet one principal fall therein, and it is the so-called potestative condition. Potestative condition is a condition suspensive in nature, and which depends upon the sole will of one of the contracting parties, either a creditor or a debtor. In all instances, if the suspensive condition depends upon the will of creditor, or depends upon a chance, or depends upon the will of a third person, the obligations will always valid. However, if the condition depends upon the will of the debtor, the obligation is void, because according to Article 11A2 of the Civil Code states that when the fulfillment of the condition depends upon the sole will of the debtor, the conditional obligation will be void. Here are some examples of a potestative condition. Please kindly read the examples. Where suspensive condition depends upon the will of creditor, where the suspensive condition depends upon a chance, where the suspensive condition depends upon the will of a third person, where suspensive condition depends upon the will of the debtor. The next video will still focus on potestative condition, but in classification of resolutory condition.
This is your law companion, and this is your 1-minute law. This is your law companion, and this is your 1-minute law.